So I have a little one of these little wagons, good for yard use and various other things. Well, it's got these tires. They're so trashed that you can't actually... I've already tried to dismount this rim and see how I bent it right here. It's just not very user-friendly. So let me show you the problem I'm having here. See what you think about this. Alright, so these are Harbor Freight replacement wheels, which are pretty good wheels and whatnot, but there's a flaw, and this is what I'm having a problem with. This is the wheel that came off of it, and you can see it sticks out just a little bit. Difference. Move you up there, and you can see this one is, the axle itself is below the rim area, and this one is pretty much almost even with it, if not a little bit above it. That's not the problem. The problem is the other side is the same way. However, on this wheel here, this one's back a ways. So these wheels are no longer available. Of course, thanks China. So what I've got to do is I've got to modify this. So let me show you what I've got to do to make this wheel work. So I've got the vise angled this way, and I've got a brass drift through it. Now I thought about leaving the this air inflator here, or this, basically it's an inner tube, but I think I'm going to have to flip it around, and I'll show you why in a second. So that's going to be my smooth side, and the way we're going to have to fix that is I'm going to go in here and cut this piece off right in here and pull the bearing out and stick it down inside here. So let's get started on that, see how we can do. First things first, we've got safety shield. It's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. It's still safe. And we'll go from here. Okay, there's part of the problem, or part of the fix. And the next one is going to be this one here. Take that on there. You can see it's pretty well weather checked. So then this one is going to go on the inside. So if I have a flat tire, I'm going to have to fill it on the inside. Take the spacer off, so I won't need that. And then it sits right through there. I'm going to need a spacer on that one, just a little bit. You could probably put that one on there. That puts too much drag on it. Let me see if I've got another washer here. Now this is a high hard or through hard, grade 8. So we'll do that, and then we'll put our washer on there. I think that'll work. That'll get us going. Anyway, there's your thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.